Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. In today's video we'll be learning how to make a leather stitched snake knot paracord bracelet. So it's been a little while since we've worked with leather and we're bringing it back. So this is just your kind of run-of-the-mill snake knot, but done with a couple rounds of leather stitching. And I think this one turned out really nicely. I love the way it looks. You can also do this with microcord or any sort of thinner diameter paracord, but we're doing leather because I think it adds a little bit of dimension to the whole paracord bracelet stuff. Alright, so remember guys, if you're looking for where to get paracord and the other materials like the leather I use in this video, feel free to check out those affiliate links down below. And also a huge thank you as always to my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive giveaways and the exclusive tutorial videos, feel free to check out the links down below and in the video. Alright, so that being said, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so to start this snake knot bracelet, we're going to take our paracord. I'm just using white single color, but you can make this two colors if you want. I've got my piece of paracord doubled over and I'm doing this knot and loop style. I'm going to take the cord on the left, we're going to bring it behind the cord on the right, like so. And then we're going to take the cord on the right, bring that behind the one on the left, and bend it through this loop here. Okay. And then we're just going to close her up. And this is going to be our loop, so make sure it's big enough for the diamond knot. Of course, you can do this Mad Max style too if you want. Alright, so we have our loop. Now we're going to actually loosen this cord here, the one on the top. I'm going to take the cord behind, bring it to the front, and feed it through, like so, and then close that up. All while maintaining that loop up top. Then from here, you're going to turn it over. Okay. Turn over, and now you see the two knots up top. You're going to loosen one of them. And do the same thing and take this cord behind, bend it through. And close that up. Okay. And then from here, of course, we're going to turn it around again and repeat that process. So whichever one has the double knots, you open it up and bend it through. This is the method I've always been using for snake knots when you're not tying that single snake knot style of bracelet. I find it works best for me, but whatever you want to do, you can do whatever you think works best for you. Okay, so we're going to continue tying our snake knots until we have reached the length of bracelet we desire. Alright, so just keep doing that. And then when we come back, we will get to the good part, which is the leather stitching. Alright. Okay, so now I am done tying my snake knot bracelet. So I haven't tied the diamond knot yet, we'll do that later. And I've got my leather cord on my smallest fid. So here is how we're going to start it out. We're going to anchor our leather cord under a few of these snake knots first. So I will go under a good number of them. Let's do 4. So go under here. Careful not to pierce through the actual paracord itself. Oh, sorry about that. So go underneath and go all the way through here, like so. Okay, so pull all that almost through and stop just shy of the end of the paracord, or sorry, the leather cord. Okay, so now from here we're going to go back through the top here. See this first knot here? We're going to go right through here, like that. Okay, and pull that through. And then from this point, you're going to wrap the cord around this side here, and then go through this knot here. So we're following that line, and come through here. So that loosens up, just pull that cord tight again. Okay, so now we're back on this side. And then you're going to go through the top here. Pull this all the way through, like so. And then you're going to wrap around again. Then we're going to go through. Then we're going to go through the top knot here, and this time we're going to go underneath both of these knots. So you're going to come out right, see right underneath that one there. Okay. It's a little confusing at first, even I'm a little confused right now, but just match those up like so. Okay. And pull it tight. And then again, wrap it around like so. And again, come in through the top here. And then go underneath two. See that? So this is the first pass of leather stitching that we have to do this bracelet. Make sure you pull each one tight. And see, that's what we're looking for in the back there. See, that's what it should look like. See how it's matching the top weave there? So, continue doing this pattern of the leather stitching around your bracelet. And take your time with this. It's going to take time. And just careful not to pierce the paracord. You don't want to mess up the bracelet. Okay, so do that all the way down your bracelet. So this is what you're looking for on the working side, and on the other side, that's what that should look like. Okay, and make your way all the way down. Okay, so I have done the first round of leather stitching all the way to the bottom. It's just coming out the very bottom there. So now to do the second pass, we're going to start on this side here. So this is the side that doesn't have the double knot on top. We're going to do the same thing at first. We're going to anchor our cord. So I'm going to go under a few of these knots here. Okay, so get that underneath. And again, anchor it, pull the cord through just a little bit shy, and just pull it under there and stop. Okay. Then we're going to bring the cord to the other side. So from here, you're going to turn it around. You're going to bring the cord it's going to follow along this line right here. Okay, so I'm going to bring it to here and go underneath this white paracord knot here. Okay, and pull that through. Right. Then back on this side, we're going to come back around. So we went through that one. Come back around here. And we're going to go underneath the second white cord. And it's going to be a little tough with all that paracord and leather in there, but just work it through carefully. Okay, so see, I'm just following that line above it. Okay, I'm back on this side. Come back around here. It's just gonna wrap around the back like so. And then I went under that one. Next is this one. All right. So that is the second pass of the leather stitching. Just do exactly as I did. And again, it's going to add some thickness to that snake knot. All right. And that's how it should look on the back there. So again, you just bring it around to the front. Just bring it around to the front. And then I went under that one. Next one is this one. You can kind of just bend the bracelet out to make it easier to get that stitching through. It's probably a lot easier with microcord, but hey, we're doing leather today. All right, so just continue that pattern of stitching the cord through your snake knot, and that's what we're looking for right there, that look. Okay, so do that and all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so I'm done that second pass, and you can see my cord is coming out right there. So to finish it off, we'll just lock it down. Let's go through. Just go through right here, through the top maybe. So we're coming out the same spot as the other cord. Okay. So just tighten that last snake knot, because we can't, you can't snip and melt the leather. So we can clip that off. And then just make sure your bracelet is sized right. We'll clip off that leather, and then we'll just tie a quick diamond knot with our excess here. Okay, and there we have it. We are done. So remember, if that diamond knot tutorial was a little too fast for you, you can check out my dedicated tutorial for that. And lastly, if you're worried about this little bit of leather cord coming out, you can just add a couple drops of super glue on there, and that should be, totally secure. All right, so that is it, guys. Haven't done a leather incorporated bracelet in a while. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more leather related projects, and yeah, we'll go from there. So remember, guys, if you like this video, please feel free to hit that like button. That really does help me out a lot. And also, if you're not subscribed already and you like this content, feel free to hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications. Alright, so that is it, guys, for me. I will see you on the next video. Bye.